Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable app access to your advertising ID number on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then go down and select the privacy tile. And now you want to go on the left side underneath Windows Permissions and select General. And then on the right side where it says Let apps use advertising ID to make your ads more interesting to you based on your app activity, you can just toggle that to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.